Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to disable calls on Messenger app. First of all, you can open the Messenger application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can see the three lines at the top left corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it. After tapping on it, you can just simply tap on settings at the top right corner of the screen and scroll down here, and you can go to the notifications and sounds. You can just simply enable this option, that is do not disturb. After enable this option, you can disable calls that you some take rest, and after this you can block a specific person to do not receive a calls, because Messenger app is not provided the any feature to disable calls directly. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped to solve your problem, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more solutions. And as always, if you have any question or need further help, drop a comment below. We are here to help you. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.